Now we pass it to Elysia. Elysia creates a strategy based on that topic. And she's a business and marketing expert, so she's going to be great with this. Then we're going to have her extract an image idea that goes with that strategy. So we're going to go ahead and run that now and pass that through Vonnie, who actually is the artist and creates the image. Love what is created here. Exactly the morning, beautiful, elegant thing we were going after. But we're not just going to stop there. We're going to do iterative refinement right here. And while this is a beautiful piece, the whole point are the models working together, getting smarter together, and learning from each other and their expertise. So now we're going to give it over to Taurus, who has a great vision understanding and is going to go look at it, give a little bit of a critique. I mean, I think it looks great, but Taurus is going to go ahead and pass that back to Elysia after Taurus gives the specific things that it believes could be implemented. And what's really cool about this is that you can keep iterating. You can have as many steps in this creative engine as you desire. You can have many editing loops, but for the sake of brevity and to show you guys how this all works together, you'll see we're just going to go through one editing loop together. But there, Taurus says the lighting is a bit dim, composition could be improved, colors could be improved, some things seem kind of blurry. Let's bring that in. Okay, now we're going to hop it back to Elysia, who is the strategist of the system, and have her revise based on those edits. Amazing collaboration without any egos going on. Now we're going to give it back to Vonnie to generate the image, version 2, revised by the team. So because these models are slim, efficient, specialized, it's really cool how they're able to work together in ways that just has not been seen before. So now we're going to go ahead and see the refined image. It's really, really cool. You can create whatever you want with our APIs, obviously, but the way that they interact is unlike any other. All right, so now we can see for the tutorial and in the collab, you can test this yourself with different images and different image ideas. But here's version 1 and version 2 based on what the creative team came up with.